I'm a firm believer in that you build your program around a product. And one thing that I appreciate about Transfinder over the decades that we've been with them is their willingness to work with me to help me build my program. We use Servicefinder exclusively in our shop for everything from parts inventory to scanning parts in to work labor hours to every vendor has one. Min-max orders, we import our fuel. We keep a huge library of parts in our Servicefinder program that we currently have. Now my dispatcher, instead of going to an Excel spreadsheet, now she can just pull open and see that a work order's done, or see that they need to do a work order for a driver, pull that bus from service because it's back in the shop. I decided a long time ago that if we're going to use a program, we need to make it something that is the cog of our wheel, if you will, or the hub of our wheels. And everything in our department ventures off of that hub. And that's really worked all the way from Servicefinder to Tripfinder to Route Finder Plus to Wayfinder to Stop Finder. And the more that we implement, the better the product that we can provide is. The more the knowledge, the more information you have. The better the information that goes in, the better the information that comes out. That's a lot of work to put in, but getting it out is the reward.